Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of the two-part series in conversation with Hasan, founder of Fetch Educate. If you haven't already checked out his first video, do check it out. This video is mainly aimed at inspiring you further and also talking about Hasan's future plan. His videos are simply amazing and his way of narrating and explaining them is simply superb. Do check it out if you haven't. Meanwhile, stay tuned and listen to this conversation. We're coming to a note like, who is Hasan? Like, what's been your kind of mantra to kind of keep moving? Because as you talked about in the initial stages, it's very few people kind of, the audience is very, you have product, but audience is a big challenge. Yes. What has been really kept you going, and who is Hasan in person?
I am Hasan. I was born in 1991. I'm 29 years old, by the way. I will be 30 in February 2021. So, as I told you, I'm a computer science student. I didn't have any knowledge about digital marketing. By the way, about the point that the main problem now is promoting and not the product itself. Anyone can create a course, even a good quality course, can create content. But the main problem, by the way, now I am planning my new course about starting a SaaS business. This is the paper here. I am planning the course right now. Do you know what is a SaaS business? SaaS model?
I've done a couple of videos, people talking about that. Yes.
Yeah. So anyway, the publishing the service, publishing the SaaS business is simple. You can do it like in 1 hour or 2 hours if I don't want to exaggerate or so. So you can publish the service, but no one will know about your service except you need to promote it. So my main focus in this course is to help people know how to start in promoting a business from scratch, from nothing. They don't have any audience, they don't have anything, because this is the main problem and people are looking for a solution for this main problem. I think you got my point. So anyway, if you want to ask this question, and how someone can start from scratch and promote a product or anything for him, or maybe affiliate products, anything. So before I tell you this, before I answer this question, the main problem that everyone faces, I get like on my Instagram every day, like 50 DMs, private messages, say, Hasan, help us to make money online. This statement. Okay, I will help you. I want to help you, but please listen or watch some of my videos to learn the basics. As an example, let's say you want to start an affiliate marketing journey today. You don't have anything. You picked a product from ClickBank or whatever. You have the affiliate link. The main problem is to get traffic to this link, okay? But you don't have any followings, anything. So simply, you have to build this following. You have to do it. The main problem of everyone is they don't start. They say it's impossible. I can't do it. How I will build 1,000 email list, or how I will get 1,000 followers on Instagram. You can do it. Just try and you will see that you can do it. Like building an email list of 1,000 email is very important. You have 1,000 subscribers following you. You can promote anything. But people really, I don't know why they don't do it. They don't start. I don't know why. Like in one of my videos, I showed them exactly how I built 10,000 email list in 1 month for free with a free lead magnet. I give them something and I build my email list. It's simple, and how I got traffic and so on. But no one applies it. I don't know why, really. So I think the main problem that everyone faces or have is they don't start. This is number one. Secondly, if they start, let's say 10% started this work, only 5% of those will be consistent, will continue for like 1 month or 2 months. And on the first failure, 4% of this 5, we will still have only 1% will continue. You see, this is the problem of anyone. It's a business. You are building a business online. It's like any business, even offline. You have to start, work hard. You need to promote it. You need patience. You need to be consistent. You need to give everything you have for this business. You may maybe keep working for 1 year without any revenue. After 1 year, you will start seeing the success of what you did in that 1 year. So I believe that the main problem is in myself, is in yourself, is in everyone. He must think about, yes, he must say, I want to start, I want to change my life, I want to do it. So now you have an Instagram business account, you don't have any follower. How to grow on Instagram? Simply go and publish consistent content. That's simple. No one will do it. No one will do it. Go now and publish a course on Udemy and create a YouTube channel and optimize your videos, and you will get views and you will get revenue on Udemy. No one will do it. I don't know why. This is the main problem, I think. Only 10% who does this will succeed. 90% will fail because they didn't try, or they tried like for 1 week or 1 month and they got bored and they left. That's simple, yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the main idea, I think, in everyone. And by the way, like in affiliate marketing, last month I got maybe more than 100 emails and messages telling me, how we can start an affiliate. What's the first step to start? So what I did is I created a video on my channel on how to start step by step. As a total beginner, I created this video. I get shocked. Nobody watch the video. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Even from those people, I send them the link, say, please watch the video, then ask any question you want. They don't watch it. There's something in the mentality, you see? So I think the problem is not only in the business or how to start, it's also in the mentality of people because they don't even try.
Yeah.
Like yesterday, someone told me, affiliate marketing is impossible. Affiliate marketing is something very difficult and so on. I can't do it. Friend, why you are shouting on yourself? Just try it. And if you need help, just ask me, what is your exact problem? Tell me. They don't have an exact problem. The problem is, I think it's psychological or something. I don't know.
Yeah. I think it's the same case even where basically we're talking about scholarship. People do not even try because they think that they're not going to get it. So until you make an effort, how would you know? And I think this is exactly, and I think in your YouTube channel, there is beginner, intermediate, advanced course for everything. People just have to spend time. They need to be diligent enough to watch it very carefully, apply it, test it out. But I think people just want everything on the plate. So that's a bigger challenge.
Yeah. They think maybe if they watch a video, like 10 minutes video, and they apply it, next day $1,000 will be in their bank account.
Yeah.
It's not like that.
Quick fixes.
You need to really hard work. You need hard work, patience, consistency. At least, I believe like 6 months, 1 year to start seeing some revenue if you are talking about money here. So it really needs some patience. Yes, and this is the main problem I think everyone faces.
And what about your long-term plan? Like what's next for you? Means you're doing something amazing, and how are you keeping up with everyday publication, by the way?
Just sum up my business, by the way. Working online, I talk about this in one of my videos, is all about 5 strategies or 5 paths: freelancing, affiliate marketing, content creation, online stores or digital store, and a SaaS business, online SaaS model. So today I run the 5 type of businesses. By the way, my team is small. I am me and my friend, 2 friends only, one in the US and one is here with me. So we are only 3 following up all these 5 businesses together. I work like 10 or 12 hours a day, by the way, but I'm happy. It's something I love. It's not, I'm not under pressure or something. So mainly now, what's nice about affiliate and SaaS and building a passive income funnel, I name it. I call it a passive income funnel. So you create content and you link to your affiliate products and to your SaaS businesses and to your courses and to your stuff and to everything. And this content, if you rank it on Google and on YouTube, you will have a passive income funnel that works automatically without doing anything. So the hard work will be like the first year when you want to publish content, rank it, when you want to create your courses, create the content, publish things, grow online, and so on. Today, after having like 80,000 subscribers on YouTube, I can now publish any video. It can reach at least 10,000 person in the first 48 hours. I can promote anything I want. And this is the power of building audience and building this strong business. You have audience on YouTube, you have your email list, you have audience on Quora, you have followers on Udemy. So it's connected together, okay? So I link my students from Udemy to my academy, from YouTube to my academy, from my academy to my blog, and so on. So all works together. Yes, it's really hard work. Like I tell you, every day 10 to 12 hours work per day. I need to publish content every day on my social profiles, on my blog, on my channel. I want to create my new courses. So, but it's really, then it will be fun. If you like it, you will be happy while you are doing it. About my business, to go back, now my plan is to publish some more courses and specifically about working online. So my upcoming courses, by the way, as I told you, this is the affiliate marketing course, and this is the SaaS business course, and I have something about email business. So it's all about how to make someone start online from scratch, taking him to the first, if you want, to the first revenue or the first profit for him, the first month. So this is my main point now, how to help someone to go from A to Z in online business. That's it. So I have like 4 or 5 courses now. I hope I can publish in the next 4 or 5 months from now. That's it for my academy, and publishing some more content on YouTube and on my blog and so on. That's my plans. Yeah. It's all about content. It's all about content.
Yeah, sounds an exciting plan, and it's a great work what you're trying to do, and it's very inspiring for many of us. And as I said, I've been inspired, and I do watch a lot of your videos and apply to my day-to-day activities. So it's fantastic to see and talk to you today. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So do consider subscribing to both our channels, press that like button, most importantly comment, and do reach out to us. In our next video, we'll talk about the 5 main and key potential strategies on the way you can actually earn money online. So especially if you're a student and a recent graduate, or those of you who are actually right now figuring out what to do next, these strategies are really going to help you to set up your online business and be successful. So stay tuned, and until then, take care of yourself. Ciao.